I've made a mistake. I don't want to sell this house. I shouldn't have signed this. I wasn't looking to sell. I just got caught up in the $1 million extra.
Yeah. Welcome to Worst Case Scenario on the Edit by Home Beautiful. It's where I ask our guests about their oh no moment at home. It could be a design decision that went wildly wrong, a guest moment they still think about, or something their family will never let them forget. Let's get into it.
I think the worst thing it hasn't actually been in a renovation project. It's actually something that I did. So I bought a holiday house in the Watergoes and beautiful position, in Byron Bay, so like the posh part of Byron. And I bought that as my retirement home.
Oh.
It wasn't an overly big house, but it was right sort of like above Rays at Watergoes.
Yep.
So beautiful position
Great
overlooking
spot.
the beach. And so I rented it out on Airbnb because obviously I'm based in Sydney.
Yeah.
And then I think it was just after COVID or might have been before COVID. I can't remember exactly. But I had a local real estate agent that rang me and offered me $1 million more for the property than what it was worth. I wasn't looking to sell it.
Yeah.
So just somebody door knocking, canvassing. And so I was like, I wasn't looking at selling the property, and the agent's like, he's willing to give you $1 million more for it than what it was worth. So I thought, okay, I'll sell. And it was the biggest regret of my life. Like it was
Really?
actually my happy home.
Oh.
Like it was my happy space. I sold it to him for $5.5 million.
Yeah.
And it was only worth about $4.5 million. So at the time I was like, great, I'm $1 million up.
Yeah.
But then when I signed the contract, I realised I actually don't want to sell this.
Oh,
I don't want to sell this
no.
house. Like I've made a mistake. So I rang my lawyer and said, look, I don't want to sell it. And he said, too bad. Like you've signed a contract. So I didn't know that as a seller, when you sign a contract, you can't get out of it. So I said, I've made a mistake. I don't want to sell this house. I shouldn't have signed this. I wasn't looking to sell. I just got caught up in the $1 million extra.
Yeah.
I had to let that property go, and it was
Yeah.
absolutely heartbreaking. I'm not getting emotional. I got a twitch in my throat. And then they've just recently stuck the property. So that was about 4 or 5 years ago, and they've just recently stuck the house back on the market.
And how much?
$12 million.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was Worst Case Scenario. You can dive into this guest's full episode wherever you're listening to this one. We'll chuck a link in the show notes or just scroll up in your podcast or YouTube feed. We'll see you over there.